Okay, so this is from the leaking toilet yesterday that started leaking, and it was leaking outside. You can see here outside of this is the bit that goes into the floor, and you can see it's been leaking on the side there, and it's leaking because that rubber gasket there is split, so that's allowing water to back up and spill over the side, and it was leaking down the pipe and leaking down the waste pipe, which I'll take you around the back and show you. Show you where it was leaking. So that's it's called a pan collar. That's split, rubber gasket, and leaking onto the pipe, onto the waste pipe. So there it is there. Can't replace that myself, that's a licensed plumber. Anyway, hopefully it's repaired and ready for another. Well, this one only lasted 7 years, but we're hoping it's 15-20 years out of the new one. Alright, see you on the next one.